Are you looking to get your driving license? Want a fully comprehensive course but don't want to wait around for months? With our 48-hour course, you'll gain all the skills you need to pass fast. This is the ultimate course for beginners and includes the full range of driving skills, starting from the very basics. Over the course hours, you'll gain the knowledge and experience you need to pass your practical test and become a safe and confident driver. This course is typically taken over 3 to 10 weeks and includes 47 hours of tuition with a local, experienced, DVSA approved instructor. A practical test which we will book at a time, date and test centre to suit you. We'll even fast track your test, meaning it will take place weeks or even months ahead of normal waiting times. This means that you could get your licence just weeks after booking. Customise your course by adding a theory test, learning in an automatic car, or including special requirements. You can choose how intensively you want to learn with evening and weekend lessons available. Simply book online or over the phone and we will do the hard work for you.